Hi everyone, I am Ram Kumar. Today, the 24th October is celebrated as the United Nations Day. The United Nations or the UN officially came into existence on 24th October 1945. It was founded immediately after the end of Second World War. The day was first celebrated in the year 1948. Its mission is to maintain international peace and security, preventing conflicts between nations, mediating with nations in conflicts, and creating conditions to hold peace. It also strives to promote human rights and fundamental freedom for the people of the world. The United Nations had 51 members at the time of its establishment. According to the UN, there are 195 sovereign states. These are countries that have clearly defined borders and independent governments. Of the 195 countries, 193 of them are the members of the United Nations. The other two are called observer states. They are Vatican City and Palestine. The Secretary General of the United Nations is the Chief Administrative Officer. He is appointed by the General Assembly on the recommendations of the Security Council. His term of office is 5 years. The current Secretary General of the UN is Mr. Antonio Guterres from Portugal. He is the 9th General Secretary of the United Nations. The headquarters of the United Nations is at New York. This year, UN Day marks the 75th anniversary of its establishment. This anniversary comes in a time of an unprecedented global health crisis due to COVID-19 pandemic. But it's also a reminder that times of struggle can become an opportunity for positive change and transformation. The theme for this year's UN Day is "The Future We Want, the UN We Need," reaffirming our collective commitment to multilateralism. Surely, the UN is the last hope of mankind to avoid a third world war. Thank you.